Welcome to my channel. In this video, we explore the amazing aspects of the logging industry, from powerful machines to cutting-edge technology. It's a comprehensive journey that you can't miss. Subscribe to our channel to enter the magical world of logging with us now. Welcome to Koala Chainsaw.
Deep in the heart of the forest, the Komatsu 931XC with its powerful C124 harvester head showcases precision and efficiency. Inside the cabin, the operator controls the machine with ease, seamlessly cutting and processing towering trees. Amidst a pristine snowy landscape, the Nisula 425C harvester head mounted on the Ponzi forwarder gracefully harvests towering snow-laden trees, exemplifying modern forestry in extreme conditions. On steep, rugged terrain, the Komatsu XT445L demonstrates its robust design, tackling thick forests with effortless precision. Its powerful harvester head quickly fells massive trees with remarkable speed. The Cat 555D skidder powers through treacherous snowy paths, its sturdy build and reliable traction making it a vital asset in the toughest logging conditions. With the steel MS660 chainsaw in hand, the worker expertly tackles a towering tree in the icy forest. Its roaring blade cuts through the wood with relentless power. As a massive uprooted tree threatens to crash down, the operator skillfully wields the Echo chainsaw, swiftly cutting through the wood to control its fall and ensure safety. In a modern workshop, the LT70 super wide hydraulic sawmill transforms massive logs into smooth, precise planks, ensuring high-quality timber for various applications. The Bell's 8000 equipped with the Wedge Elite 12 splitter swiftly processes large logs into smaller, uniform pieces, ready for distribution or further use. With its sharp auger, the Dipperfox SC850 Pro pulverizes stubborn stumps, breaking them down efficiently and clearing the land for new opportunities. The CBI 6800 CT Landclear reduces massive logs into fine sawdust with its powerful grinder, ensuring rapid processing for large-scale operations. The Prentice 180D loader expertly lifts massive logs onto waiting trucks, organizing them efficiently for transport. Heavy-duty trucks loaded with timber navigate winding, rugged roads. Their massive tires grind through muddy terrain, showcasing the grit and determination of the drivers in ensuring timely and safe deliveries.
Thanks for watching today's video about the journey of exploring the synthetic logging industry. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring this powerful world. See you in the next videos.